I'm Katie Jones and I'm here to show you how to get started with your crochet. In this video I'll go over how to set up your hook and basic stitches. So let's get started.
So I'm going to start off and I'm going to show you how to set up your hands. So I've got my hook and I'm right-handed and I hold my hook like a pen, but you might hold it like a knife, however feels most comfy. And we're going to learn how to set up our left hand, and in crochet your tension is one of the most important things. So my little tip, and if you're going wrong, is that you want your hand to sort of look like a shadow puppet bunny. Silly, but it helps you. And we're going to set up our hook first, so we're going to get our slip knot. So we take our piece of yarn and bring it round, a bit like it's a small E, and you come through the middle and grab it and pull that through, but don't let the tail go all the way through. And so we get like a little loop, and we're going to pull it a little bit tighter. And we're going to place that on our hook and pull it a bit tighter. And so now we're going to set up our left hand. So we lie our palm flat and lay the yarn over your hand. Pinch in your little finger and your next finger to hold it here. So you've sort of got your hand like a toy gun. Come round the back of your hand and then adopt your shadow puppet bunny. So you grab your tail and you hold all your tension in your left hand and just your hook in your right. So we're going to pull that to make sure it's tight, and then we want this area here, this area, this nice tight bit, and with our hook we come in, oh that first knot, not tight, in, round, and use your hook and pull down, in, round, pull down, in, round, pull down. And then this is our chain. So helping your bit of tension helps make it smooth. So you come in, get your hook in there, twist your hook down so it's attached and it's not going to slip off, and then pull it out, in, pull out. And you're doing a chain. And then always follow and hold close to the knot, and it gives you more control.